look to Samuel Testle. The Tring Anzu Jangai Joshidi Halebigirwa, Nenga Chembojik down, and Anzu Ninritsoa Nalola, daily life Nalola, Anzuki, Jawayo de Yoshindera. And dear Anzutan de Parchikdwa, Part de la Sita, Dig Sin, Dicona Nalola Anzula, Lobsen Karjangai, but the Siwishu Chade water. So Anzuk Lobsen Jangai de Kalana, light ladire. So this light concept which we are going to learn is based on the class 7 science chapter 15 that kai sevanarwa light la di lobchen di kyonan zu zine thukpe nalola light shadow and reflection la gi joshi ji changyore zine dumbe nalola light korang jangire and it details jangire zine give nalola kone jangire again you will learn in class 10 dila dirwa ani ngi gi kharthongudlana light ki kola basic concept unzo thandani kyonan zu sewu yowache clear yosona. In class 10, it will be much easier for you to learn and focus more. The name was on the Propagation. The Jina Tangshu. What is light? The light lana conditional light la ores. Manzo Pegetona light lawana de la ve lerana or heta ve ledra. So light lana tisha condition lana dindigagra. Light in science, science nalula. Light light is a form of energy which creates sensation of sight like that. Light the form of energy form of energy it is a types of energy the energy lana kharibes lara energy lana nuba demba khar nuba lega chik chela nuba demba dinde delang azu energy lager penetration light the energy jig re energy nalo mangbo nalo ne di chashi jig re la na khala wala na he de la lega jig gi nuba yo dingi ji re la chena light ki lega che gi nuba khariyo la na anju gi ngechar gi lobje na jawone jira light due to the presence of light the plants are autotrophic plants are able to do the photosynthesis. Light yowa songzang we get our body warm nanzu subu chaucha subu kidwa sang dine ma songzang dine khara golana light is a form of energy khola lega ji chegi neba chi das tachina energy imba thamje light revelana yandi khyapgi mar penchen energy imba khangshi light ma imba di nganju gi kharelana wind lung la den jura ani chu rig den ju samara tight la den sama energy re de even these are not light. Chena light the energy ji imbaina energy na da kola mixi gi ni keju shanda kharyola which creates sensation of sight dinde gi form of energy digi nganju gi nyekor yeyo changma tongtobar swenge dinde din khalena light reelarta penchena nganju nagung ji jigina dedara nagung nalola devsona nganju la mig yo marbe la na chagi thangbudi ra mig yores any dinner chala dini yo marvelana chala yores tachena mikta chala parula dewa swingidi migi chala dudas lajiche chala di korang pha yowa di migi ngoda jue diche chala di migna su lela dingi por dewa swingidi su chadin light without light nothing is there ra anju gi kegu chitu mara dine ma songa light is a form of energy which creates sensation of sight yana which help us to see things around us. In simple words, okay, so we will learn the nature of light. Nature of light lana khala olana what are the characteristics of so-called light? He ki keju kharakar dos. So nganju keju thangbu daaduna rectilinear propagation of light. So this word rectilinear la di kyono zune thukwe nalola ra types of motion nalola ani topic sumsta ra types of motion nalola motion in straight line, motion in circular path and periodic motion and motion sumta ra dinde ta di nalo ne tangshu motion in straight line la di that is called the rectilinear propagate. Rectilinear stands for straight line, propagation and travel. So in short, radi khala light always travel in straight line. Hedi khatu ne 카톡 저거래 여기 뉴버디 하고 토네르다 디길도 여기 뉴버디 아주 미기 통토버 스윙이 들어 지상 아주 잘라직 통토버 젤라 잘라딩 아주 미기다 카톡 고르 마지로 고잡로 떨궁 잡로 요샤규기 잘라는 중 아주 미기나 통토고 말아 가진 콩 아주 카톡 민도알라 따디 금제시에서나 따디 activity conditions how do you prove that light travel in a straight line. So this is the first activity which we will do. So there is a candle burning, your eyes is there. Candle de la dux tagoda. Candle de la tawekap. There is a 3 wooden block in between candle and my eye. Nimik the candle barula wooden block summer. Wooden block sum de la igang sumure, there is a 3 hole which are at the same height as that of a burning candle. Tashina nigi pajo third wooden block the neta wake so ni yana di tungure tungumarelna. Yes, we will see the candle burning. Tangi khajine I adjust the middle one the height the tis ya persona. Then still am I able to see the burning candle? No. Kharjin lawanarwa the path with which the light travels. Remember, burning candle the light the travel shady through the first hole, then second hole lalle so tosa lamga yomar. It is being blocked by the wooden block. Wooden block the karwa. Sang di kawa song sang khajilana. Now it will not travel around that wooden block and enters my eyes. Nko du chi konni tanga ka tu da la. It will not travel in a curved manner. Chigimar. Chim machiwa sonza I can no longer see the burning candles light. Chikche. Ya activity dinde gyuni tayorde. Candle de shadwa, mimik de dwa, diborula straight line gi pipe jorsa. The pipe the straight line in back up so I was able to see the burning candle. Tongora Kajinan light travels in straight line and this pipe is also straight line. There is no any block in between. Now if I bend the pipe in between, pipe the kila benches on there is a source of light, there is the eye which is a detector. Himbene light the name la left to woman. Lemma to gumse kanana could the net straight line travel to so pipe the bench it block the path of that light. And go paka totor. Chesang nigi I can no longer see the burning candle. The activity the kuni kala light always travel in straight line. Taniwa nature of light niwa the speed of the light. Light the doxedi. So speed of the light is constant. Light the speed the constant chade ko relar. Constant na kadune gyuwa matongi takbar heshi chik rang de changadi. Dindi speed the kaju chagolana 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 raised to power 8 means under the 3 just at the right of the 3 there is 8 zeros. 0 geyorta. Penchana nganzu gi dirwa changatsi yona chik chu kya tong ti boom sa chiwa ra chiwa sum lagira. So 3 into 10 is power 8 meter. Dindegi meter chiwa sum second ching na to relar. Second ching na la dikams ki meter mango to gela tu hallebi kyopor. Nganzu da nime pargi parda ringbu di na la nime we di nganzu zamling na lewa chela kama ge mash korko mare la wa. So this much it is the speed of light. Tadine somebody character sumadra light does not require a medium to travel. The travel chisagi path specific path in the ko marelar. Tongdo cho path lana khalawla na du zamni na imana solid imane liquid ni gas imane sumga particles ki so shayura. Ta particles yurung merungwa light the travel chigirelar. Digi khalaw light can even travel in a vacuum. Vacuum lana where there is a space in which there is no matter at all. Particle chungjung che mejo talatang khake mejo parnang tongba tongyang dinde nalole light the travel chi thorelar. Zamling nalole sadu atmosphere na let's say there is a particle, still it is able to travel. So dineba songsa light does not require a medium to travel. Penetration sound do imana travel chisagi medium gore, gyulam gore. Penchana panangla space, empty space nalola sound de travel chidugo ma. Kachinena keja shenge tang amju kongye dingi parla ni DJ ma. Kidongi sound kidongi giro particles che mewa songsa sound de travel chidugo ma. Human light, in case of light, that is not the case. Right? That in a point shivadi ray of light. What do you mean by a ray of light? The ray of light lana halebe mangbu yorwa. Dinalone. If I talk about a single light, so for that we called it is a ray of light. Ray diagram lana mangbu yorde ine dinalone single ching ma twenche. Rani koige lamka khandi du path khandi resha. That is ray diagram. Digana chikwa ray of light. The direction or path along which a single light travels is called ray of light. Chera arrow with arrow. The beam of light lana, it is a group of light rays that is called beam of light. Beam of light lana light mangbo jinyam dudona de la beam of light lawa. Pension desigda ray of light lana a single light. Beam of parallel rays lana ta beam la to dindi ray dine mangbo jigla beam lawa. Tanakon sama parallel dudwa. And next they call it beam of rays coming from a point source of light. Light source the killer ray and dine chok khasakala light the tam dokor. The kangdar more than one rays lang azugi beam of light like. Okay, so let me remind something about the class 6 chapter light, shadow and reflection kolang azugi chikrala tensu chigina. So tensu tangbudi tiwa kanar. What happens when the light rays fall on a surface of an object? Tadi kyonan samala tiwari. Chik ra ngubu kangrujigi kangla poksona what will happen? Ta kharchigres. Nedang de kharchagire. So you just pause the video and think. Kharchire. Chigle water. Ngubu chigangla porta. It falls on the object. Now what will happen? Tadi samlutang deyo kapsora. Ngazu zinena thodur chimona shirwa. Situation ni and dile manga yongsir. So I will deal with two situations. Tangbudi, the light may get reflect back or bounce back if it is an oblique object. If it is an oblique surface. Soundler. Ngobu ngala poksona le du tana ngobu di karebe ngazu ke sheomar. So ngobu di can be oblique object. Oblique object lana di ngobu di ngazu mingla nyawana di kabla kharkari me matonge penjen tsikbata ra. Yang na transparent object. Transparent object lana kabla kharkari me sangma ngazu gi gigungi shego dabu ra. Window glass na shita ra. Transparent and translucent. Translucent lana geek nzu na shinchi. Sang ta tangshu when the light fall in object jingla fall china opaque kesi object di opaque hinalar. Opaque suna kharchigire lana the light will get reflect back. Ko pat kanili du with certain angle gana ko paranja reflect back chigire. Chu legyo ki angle de la chibu jiga paranja reflect back chigire. Light will bounce back. Reflect back lana bounce back la wada. Penetration reflect back the bounce light nzo ngazu samdo khande taung lana when we play basket ball salama duk tabadra khachina it will again come back to your hand. That is called bounce back. Remare. So digana chigoja light the object surface kanla tuwada it will return back with certain angles. That will reflect back object surface kanla. Then the light may pass through the object if it is a transparent. Because the object is transparent is light di dilma pass chi tu relar. Penjana nganzu gi gung ki chilo la yosha gyogi any beautiful scenery donzo nganzu tungodwa. Kajin tungola na shego glass di dindegi glass di ra it is a transparent so that the light are able to pass through it. Yang na partially pass. chasang pass majin this pass chigre if it is translucent object chasang object kala ra lecherwa I had deal with two situation yana ko reflect chire yana ko pass through chigre reflect khadu chilena when the object is opaque pass through khadu chilena when the object is transparent. Okay, so we will learn more about the reflection of light. The kala kyoran zu gi jangsarwa bouncing back of light lauding as reflection lagi do. So see, reflection of light is the process of sending back the light ray which falls on the surface of an opaque object on law. The reflection na kala wala na process of dindegi chule patang chegi all together. This process dindedala ngazu reflection of light law. Sending back which falls on the surface la surface kana we fall chinge di ta parangja send back chigo res parangja tango res dinde de la kala na reflection la res process of bouncing back of light rays which falls on the surface of an opaque object. The pension dinashi pejin chungjung shena nime hedi ma lewe kapso nga zuigi shego ki kabre nga zu lapte nalo la shego chungjung dinde kichira ndi nime hedi pat ma legyo di nga zuigi pat tang so na khajina na this shego di shiny appearance ti zigba kang da mi gi dong dang kawa kang da dinde li mare. So that is nothing but the reflection of light. Nime we ma legyo di it is being bounced back. So tang zu reflection of light mangbu jikdagina. So reflection on plane mirror ki gyucherwa ani reflection do mindu plane mirror na nga ta de gi shego dinala. See, I stand in front of the plane mirror and I see myself, my image in a mirror. The kharchin ray is a reflection of light on a plane mirror. De pamudi shego ta de da shego nalola morangi image di char image chawa di kachin relena due to the reflection it's a bounce back chedi. Reflection on the surface of water de surface of water kala yang gangi hot balloon gas balloon ki ra dinde phir jenge di ga ji khachi do yang parachute gas balloon ki parachute sore dira yang ko gi image di ridi gi image di gangza chu na le do. That is nothing but the reflection on the surface of water. The Shingdong di reflection on the water. Taj Mahal ki total reflection on the water. Nedwa. Kasama bouncing back of light ki phenomenon chawar. Dine jibu jang reflection on the floor. Floor kan ta darwa. Ya floor ki kan la reflection ne yunir. Pension de. That is CD chik di ro. Community di floor di gala community building da midun zo ligdo. Next de Apple di girwa image di floor di gala ledwa. De ta di karina namthang ina dindeji girwa pat di geji ani surgi cha siu no zo changmagi image di shala di gala ledwa. So these are all the reflection cha de hoda. Okay. Tachina Tiwadileta. Does every reflected ray form an image on the surface? Reflect chiwa tamje ra. Reflect chiwa tamje ngobu di gangla image form chigidu chigimdo. Tandapodong anzu tasunarwa plane mirror gangla reflect chiwa songzang plane mirror gangla image form chedus. Ani pa karsere shala gi gangne rush but shala jambu dinde ganla ya image form chiwa the reflection of the light on the floor rishas yang azu water surface kana reflect chiwa songzang light so reflect chiwa tamji ra image formation yore yo marwe slata reflect lana bouncing back of light source of light khani jing ro jig leche object jila thukche kochuranja bounce back china the dinde object digala image form che the necessary ray mare is it always the reflection and the image formation ray mare 단대포도 간주 갈달라나 it is yes like 통 임바이니 see 사들람과 디가나라 강기 가서래 빌딩 논조기 왜 reflection 레겨 논조 디가 image form 치데 no not the case 네 탕기 사 디가나라 니기 image form 치데 지오말 아니 찍바 사바기 찍바 디가나라 reflection 요레베 your because because of the reflection I'm able to see the bricks on the wall. Even if just there is a image formation, right? My image is my image form in the brick lana? No, later. Just a reflection yoba tamje image form chiwa kyaba mindos. That's na image form chela reflection goe tengi shukchambu shiuji chagire chagi marelan tatangansu tiwatta. Okay, so first we will learn about the laws of reflection. Laws of reflection is that na logic ngobuchingala pokjerwa paranje bounce back chiduna bounce back chidang tepte chigirebe kandesribe. For the reflection to take place from any object surface, the following same step is always the same. Right? So the following steps are always the same. Kala reflection chigiduna object kandejingni. The reflection di chidang di takwareshi chigrang chigita digzu di takwar chig dugurta. San dindegi digzu masune rule masune law thangbu di kharelana. Incident ray, reflected ray, and a normal line. Normal line is an imaginary perpendicular line which is in between the incident ray and reflected ray. Incident ray tang reflected ray ki taktala ma normal line jitensuna 90 degrees jitensuna perpendicular line. That is normal line. So incident ray lana the incoming ray. Ngobo chola chu lengi gi wede lagor. Reflected ray lana the reflection back the ray which is outgoing. Object de la took paranja bounce by chingi gi light de la reflected ray lagor. So incident ray the reflected ray khuni phala angle ji chayro the angle de la ma 90 ki takta tangi di kharena your imaginary line normal line chawar. So first law khala na incident ray reflected ray normal line ray changma plane chigi point chigi kana yor dalar niwa de la angle of incident na incident ray tang normal line parula angle ji form chizwa that is the angle of incident and the angle of reflection na reflected ray tang normal line parula angle form chizwa that is called angle of reflection. So laws of reflection na khala wala na angle of incident is always equal to angle of reflection now. So they'll say the how would they I the angle of incident ray R the angle of reflection ray. The incoming red ray is the incident ray, outgoing green ray is the reflected ray. And korani cheka ta tange jura di khalena normal line chawar. And koras concept incident ray normal line reflected ray sama point p gan dumindu. So that is the first law. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal line all lie on the same point on the same plane like this. Okay. That's how does an image form? The image the form condition. Is it necessary that for every reflection of light there is an image formation on that surface? The necessary red velana the marishas. That's chena kharchigidu image form chela chena chagi ni kharchangdu lanalar. Incident ray or incoming ta image form chela da. So incident ray or incoming ray light from an object falls on the surface. The surface condition di gangla we di porta we ji por. We posuna it will get reflect back. Thangu di himbara. Ta niwodela. The image will be formed when the reflected ray meet each other at a point. That is needs to catch and image kadu form chigi lana chagin chik when the reflected ray mangpo yura reflected ray kang chik mangpo shiwra donzo changma point chik la tuna reflected ray changma point chik la tuna dela image formation yor di kyonang zu symbol nyago chik che ta nge dile la kecha de khala na dikde the surface on which the image will form the image the form chisagi surface the contour go lana it should be shiny and polished and plain surface the dindeji gorda rather than a dull and unpolished and irregular surface image form kawala chigilana surface kandeji gala image form chigilana saniregi surface di jambu yo bathang ra ani plain yi bathang polish yo na 항상이 shiny 외게 두나 딘데기 object 디가나 안 같이는 image form 치기레스 베네시나 가망간주기 mirror나시 mirror는 surface 데 전부처럼 plain 지부여라 안 그거가나 image form 치서 주간 image form 치서 샬라 전부도 image form 치서 다 dull and unpolished surface 사자 담바 인교 와 사자 쪽바 인교 사자디 사 로로인교 딘데가나 image form 지르나 지그마레라 시타 디기 델타드라 웰레스와 incident 푹 톱서 now it will get reflect back 치서 다 image form 지리 지마레라 see image is formed inside the mirror reflected ray 둔 상마 파 trace back 치자 상 that part where the trace back light meet each other is the image formation image form point new image form kawari chigi kande chigilana only when the reflected ray meet each other at a point later tachina so far ngazu ki takyore next ki video di tailera you just do the homework you learn about the nature of image form in a plane mirror the plane mirror ji nalala ngazu namgindu ki ta desa ki shego yora shego nalala kyonan tawe kapsura kartamire chidero what you observe inside the mirror image dida kyorangi parla deba khardu chikchung khardu loga kharchidu ti kyorangi observe chere and we will learn that in next